Hello, today is 8th of April 2021. This is happening live in Aba. Early this morning, some group of policemen and combined with SARS, they are walking about destroying people's vehicle. All in the name of, I don't know what they are looking for, but whatever they are looking for, I don't think that the population, people should suffer about it. What is going on? Huh? Why should they be destroying people's vehicle this way? People that didn't do anything to them. If they are looking for anybody, they should go and look for whosoever they are looking for. Huh? Why will all these things be going on this way? This morning, police are just destroying people's vehicle. Look at every people's livelihood. This is terrible. This early morning in Aba.